What I've got coming up is a classic eggplant parmigiana, and I was actually watching another cooking show, Matty Matheson, who's an absolute legend and idol of mine, and the way that he put it together, it just inspired me. I thought, yes, this is something I want to bring back to the forefront of your mind and get you to do at home, because it is utterly delicious. We're going to kick it off with an onion. We're just going to finely dice. Onion can go in. So it's a really, really simple, straightforward, traditional tomato sauce. So we've got onion, garlic, we've got 4 cloves. So I'm just gonna kick that off, get the onion and the garlic sweating down. Now I can get the eggplant sorted. I'm gonna take those tips off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna cut them into discs. Trying to cut it this way I think can be a little bit challenging for people. So we're just gonna cut all the way down, and it just ensures that you can get it really, really nice and even. Now we can start our crumbing process. You guys know the drill. So I'm just gonna do a few at a time. Get them in there, toss it in the flour, get rid of any excess. So we go flour, egg, panko, repeat. Just give it one flip. Make sure it's well and truly covered, and then into the panko. First batch of the eggplant is crumbed. I've got our fry pan on over here as well, so I can really get this sauce finished up. I can go in with the tomato paste. So we've got a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste in there. I'm gonna have a couple of things going on here at once, but I can get a batch of the eggplant in. That can start pan frying off, shallow frying in the extra virgin olive oil. Really all this sauce needs now, we're just gonna cook that paste out for another minute or so. Tomatoes will go in, and I'll just be getting the second batch of my crumb ready while the first batch is cooking. That's really the most efficient way to do it. If you're gonna have a couple of things going on at once, you're gonna be able to pull this together pretty quick. Sorted, done. We've got all of our eggplant cooked off. Done a little bit of a pack down because we all know what a kitchen looks like after crumbing, but we all know that it's worth it. So portion of that sauce on the base, just spread it out. Now we start to stack. So we're just gonna place these in, try to get them as tight as you possibly can. So just to have a little drizzle of sauce on top. Mozzarella. So we've got a nice big piece of mozzarella here. I'm just gonna cut slices, because you know this stuff melts like crazy. This is where the classic gooey Parmigiana is gonna come into play. All right, and repeat. So you go over the top, more sauce. Throw a little bit of Parmesan in the mix here. Now we're gonna get the basil in there as well. So we've kind of got that on the second last layer. You want that just a little bit hidden. More mozzarella. You can even just kind of rip it up a little bit if you want, just to distribute it. Right, oven is set at 220, nice and high. The eggplant's already cooked. We just need to finish it off. So it's gonna go in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're gonna have the ooeyest, gooeyest eggplant parmigiana you could ever imagine. So just give that a few minutes, let it settle down, and whatever you do, pair it with something really light and fresh. There's a lot going on here. It's unctuous, it's rich, it's cheesy, it's salty, it's delicious. A nice little rocket salad, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, lemon, salt, that's it. Keep it simple, make it delicious.